That's awesome. DSM Boat Island song. It is 12/11/23. It's your after video. Let's go have a look at her. Okay, so I scrubbed as hard as I could on your water line. The other side of it's much worse because of the sun side. 1 second. We'll cruise that a little bit. I just want to get that in the video since it doesn't look that great. But I did scrub the mess out of it and did my best on that one, that side. But let's go have a look. This stuff just isn't coming off real good, especially on this gray. Yeah, just not coming off. But once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.